Hello, my name is Eric Blackburn. I'm here to present a video to you on parents' rights and procedural safeguards in special education. First thing we need to consider is who is considered a parent. Parent could be a biological parent for a student, adoptive parent, legal guardian, an educational advocate, or a foster parent. We do need to know, though, who is the parent of the child. Key terms to know when we discuss special education and safeguards. IDEA, which is the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act of 2004. An IEP is an individualized education program. And FAPE, Fair and Appropriate Public Education. Parents' rights. Parents have the right to attend an IEP and have an advocate present if they would like. They have the right to receive a copy of the evaluation and also provide additional reports from outside agencies. They have the right to disagree with an IEP and pursue changes if they're not pleased with it. And they have the right to have their child placed in an environment of least restriction. Parents' rights and notices. They have the right to be notified about one meeting per year. They have the right to a notice of referral or the parent request. They have the right to a notice about the first formal complaint or due process for complaint of the year, disciplinary removal from school, and parent request notices as well. Prior written notice must be provided for when changing the identification, evaluation, educational placement, or FAPE to the child. Notice must contain description of planned action, proposed action, description of rationale for action, description of other options considered, description of relevant factors, statements of parent rights, and sources of contact with parents. Notifications of the IEP meeting must be also provided and include the purpose of the meeting, date and time of the meeting, location of the meeting, and those attending the meeting. Positions may be substituted rather than just the actual names. Thank you. Hope you found this to be quite informative. Two additional resources available for you. There are two links here that would provide YouTube videos to help with further information.